They tried to lock the sound in A8, but the truth too loud, it never fade. Turn down the radio, still we elevate. Then from the airways, but we never break. In the night when the system talk, trying to silence every righteous walk. City streets where the children cry, selling false dreams to the hungry eyes. Babylon move with the iron hand, trying to bury the roots in the burning sand. But the drum and the voice survive. Truth in the soil will stay alive. Oh, hear the people call, even when the tower fall. Lower the volume, but the message strong. Sing the truth in the rebel song. One radio version, underground sound, roots vibration spreading all around. They cut the signal, but the fire remain. Freedom music running through the vein. One radio version, late night play. Shadow warriors never fade away. Turn down the light, but the spirit rise. Justice burning in the people's eyes. Oh, they said this song was too strong to air. Too much truth inside the prayer. Government man with the cold machine, afraid of the voice they never seen. From the ghetto yard to the mountain high, hear the bassline touching the sky. Lock the studio, seal the door. Still the people want it more and more. If they silence the drum, the